Notice how New York and London are now highlighted. If I replace New York with Dhaka, for example, notice how now the values from cell B3 and cell B7 are highlighted. In this video, I would like to show you how to highlight duplicates in Google Sheets. Now, if you worked previously in Excel, in Google Sheets, things are more complicated. And first, we need to start by creating a formula. And that formula is COUNTIF of a range of cells, which is going to be column B, and a criteria. In my case, I'm going to give B1. And this formula is going to return a number, which is the count of the cells that are equal to B1. And I'm just going to add a comparison whether that value is more than 1. If that value is more than 1, then it means that I have a duplicate value. Now I'm going to take this formula and cut it using Ctrl and X. And now let me show you how to add this function and highlight the values from column B. I'm going to go to Format and Conditional Formatting. And from over here, I'm going to pick the last option, Custom Formula Is, and I'm just going to paste the formula in here and change the color to a nuance of red. Now what this is going to do is going to go to each individual cell, check whether that value from there has a count that is larger than 1, and if so, it will highlight it with red. I'm going to hit on done, close this from here, and notice how New York and London are now highlighted. If I replace New York with Dhaka, for example, notice how now the values from cell B3 and cell B7 are highlighted. If I'm duplicating a value, the values will get highlighted, and this is how you highlight duplicates in Google Sheets. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and see you in the next one.